Good evening, viewers. This is Sudarshan Meghalaya. Now we bring to you today's edition of the news. Before heading to the details, here's a quick look at the headlines. Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla, Axiom 4 crew, splashed down off California coast, returns to Earth after 18 days at the International Space Station. Meghalaya government mandates display of driver details in all commercial vehicles. Move aims to ensure safety of travellers. And Meghalaya government enforces plastic waste management rules, cracks down on illegal sale of plastic. The news in detail. Indian astronauts Shubhanshu Shukla and 3 other crew members of the Axiom 4 mission splashed down off the coast of San Diego today. The crew returned to Earth today after spending 18 days at the International Space Station. They departed from the orbiting laboratory ISS yesterday on board the SpaceX Dragon for an approximately 22-hour journey to Earth. This mission, dubbed Akash Ganga, is a collaborative effort between Axiom Space, NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization. It represents a significant step forward in India's human spaceflight ambitions, including the upcoming Gaganyaan mission and the proposed Bharatiya Antariksha Station. Union Minister Jitendra Singh lauded the efforts and said it is a proud moment as Bharat has truly found an enduring space in the world of space today.
In the world of space. It's a moment of pride for the whole world and a moment of glory for India as one of her illustrious sons returns back after accomplishing a successful voyage and after having conducted some of the very vital life-bearing experiments never done before. And therefore, as I said, today indeed Bharat has found an enduring space in the world of space.
In a major step towards enhancing safety for both locals and tourists, the Meghalaya government has decided to mandate the display of driver details in all commercial vehicles operating in the state. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh, who held a meeting with Transport Minister Snehaw Bhalangdhar, informed that the decision was taken to bolster transparency and ensure passenger security. Displaying driver details inside commercial vehicles will help in accountability and boost the confidence of tourists and citizens alike, said Lyngdoh after the meeting. The government will provide commercial vehicle owners a 1-month window to comply with the new requirement. An official notification in this regard is expected to be issued shortly.
Has already been done in other parts of the country. It's very much in sync with the need to upscale security of all citizens and travelers, and therefore it makes sense that in order to enhance that sense of security, we have such a system in place. As soon as we notify, we will give 1 month's time from the date of notification. Meaning if the notification comes out tomorrow, it will be 1 month from tomorrow.
Be implemented.
As soon as we notify, we will give 1 month's time from the date of notification.
The Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, Shillong Municipal Board and the District Administration carried out a surprise raid today to crack down on the illegal sale of plastic items in Shillong. The enforcement drive was conducted at Laban Last Stop and Polo Market, where a significant quantity of prohibited plastic products, including plastic cups and glasses, were seized. Senior Environmental Engineer of the MSPCB, Wanshan R. Kharklang, stated that the raid followed a directive from the High Court regarding the strict enforcement of the plastic waste management rules.
Hello, Honorable High Court. Nakaliang District Administration, Banakaliang jong ka Shillong Municipal Board, kila shna ka program hagaba ki lech ki bantagyo repair jong ka Sor Shillong, ban pek perman bat kaju kaporu ban sis yiki mar ki ba mdek atkum ka an ka bala sha wai dei bakini single use plastic.
In a continued effort to improve the standard of education in rural areas, Nongpo MLA Miralbon's aim visited several educational institutions in the Umden region. During the visit, the Umpathau Matan LP School, one of the oldest schools in the area, received assurances of support and development aid from the legislator. The gathering served as a platform for stakeholders to voice their concerns and expectations. On the same day, the MLA also paid a visit to Umpathau Presbyterian Secondary School, where he interacted with members of the school managing committee. He listened to their grievances and took note of the school's urgent requirements, further reinforcing his commitment to supporting education in rural communities.
Namar ba kasorkaru kadang hagelenti. Umno ban pendit pendiam ban pengkela ya gadur kadar jong ka pule kepuki apa jong gejala berapa.
Displaying community engagement and street theatre, Limpong Sengkantay, in collaboration with the Meghalaya government's anti-drug initiative Dream Mission, staged a street play at Motpran today to raise awareness about the devastating impact of drug abuse. The initiative aims to engage the public directly through cultural means, fostering dialogue and reflection on a rising concern across the state. Mission Director of the Dream Project, Francis G. Karshiyeng, was present during the performance, lending his support to the campaign. Beading Clam Festival, apart from the religious fervour, carries out a bigger and global message through the various colourful rods that are displayed, and this year was no exception. Here is a report.
Among the 13 intricately crafted wooden and bamboo structures paraded at the sacred Aim Aitnar Pool, 2 stood out with a resounding salute to the Indian Armed Forces. Saint Rad Umulong's rod featured Indian missiles and a 4-sided message board thanking the military, especially in light of Operation Sindoor. Lompardi Yongpya followed with models of BrahMos and Akash missiles, symbols of India's strength and gratitude. Other rods tackled urgent contemporary issues. Sentalilang Lathalabo display condemned the rise of unregulated coke factories, urging environmental responsibility. Lom Karuyang and Shangya raised an alarm on artificial intelligence with a rod showing a robotic hand, warning of a future where man-made machines may dominate their creators. Community elders and public representatives expressed their joy and happiness.
Ko em hagini ki time yong e ko bulele yiki khonyong ri jainti awro ki wan wi em lang chruwi hagini gisni dagini kintin 6000 ngo ka jing ku bulele be ni klam ko kerpangi bi khonyong garaj ki do thia do dem rangkat wo ka pho ka phain wo ka rong wo ka ru ka chat wo ka tem pen snga kumen ngi ikno yelam yo bi wo yo mo ling bi gniem gu bi do hikai ki long swag man swa Kawi was now surround do au you now nito mom celebrate ki khonyong nyam tre overall ki khonyong ki other denomination em lang wi ka te to I culture jo practice ha state ko maya ka yong I Kubai chibon ya overall ki jai nyam gu em lang ni this is the symbol of unity, we are one.
More than ritual, this year's rods served as mirrors, reflecting patriotism, warning of ecological and technological threats, and reminding all that tradition can carry the weight of tomorrow's truths. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Residents of Umdap Duma and Umdap Rangi under Umling C and RD block suffered major losses after a severe storm yesterday afternoon damaged many houses and agricultural fields. The incident occurred at around 2 p.m. when strong winds swept through the area, damaging over 20 houses along with betel leaf plantations, bananas and other crops, causing significant hardship for those affected. In light of this environmental destruction, the village leaders have appealed to the government to send officials to assess the damage and to arrange relief measures for the families severely impacted by the storm.
Kam tamlay hakabide bakina ki light no baro ki sainar jongka light kimdon shu hajrong kila hablut hakndau te kane kade ki ke pasungsi banyathu sepi bai ba no nila sha kata hadu kata kam hakarep karyang.
A petrol tanker bearing registration number MZ01AA9286 coming from Guwahati overturned at 11 Mile on Assam side of National Highway 27 opposite an NRL petrol pump in Ribhoi district. Due to sparks generated at the time of overturning and because it was carrying petrol, the vehicle quickly caught fire and the flames became intense. Dozens of fire tenders from both Assam and Meghalaya had to rush to the spot to douse the blaze, which raged on for several hours. The incident occurred around 11 p.m. on Monday night, causing panic among commuters and residents of the area because of the ferocity of the fire. Traffic on the highway had to be stopped, leading to a severe traffic jam that lasted until Tuesday morning. Fortunately, no casualties were reported as the driver managed to jump out and escape in time. However, the vehicle was completely gutted and reduced to a charred wreck. A total of 546 block-level officers and 75 block-level officer supervisors from across West Garo Hills participated in the 13-day training program organized by the District Election Office in Tura, West Garo Hills. The training, which concluded today, was launched as a part of the special summary revision, had commenced on July 3rd and concluded on Tuesday. At the SMELC building in Kobre, Tura, the 13-day training program consisted of various sessions that were meticulously designed to equip BLOs with the necessary skills and knowledge to carry out their duties with precision and transparency. By focusing on key aspects such as electoral roll management, voter registration, and the use of technology, the program aimed to enhance the capabilities of BLOs in managing electoral processes at the grassroots level.
The main objectives is trained today for the BLOs. The BLOs will be whatever they have learned from the training, they will work in the ground level effectively, and it will be benefited for the villages and the electors.
The 5th Eastern West Khasi Hills District Open Come Inter-School Badminton Tournament 2025 got underway today at the indoor stadium Mairang Mission. Organized by the Eastern West Khasi Hills District Badminton Association in collaboration with the District Sports Promotion Society, the tournament features 4 categories: under 13, under 15, under 17 and under 19 for both girls and boys. The opening day witnessed spirited performances and a display of promising skills by the participating school children. Eastern West Khasi Hills District Deputy Commissioner A. Nongpo expressed hope that this tournament would encourage enthusiastic participation among students and enable the district to nurture young talents. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. 24 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature, 30 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature, 71% of relative humidity were recorded today. Rainfall was recorded at 4.9 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius were recorded. Relative humidity is 85% and rainfall 2 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature was recorded at 20 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature at 23 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity 84% and rainfall of 1 millimeter were also recorded. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla Axiom 4 crew splashdown off California coast returns to Earth after 18 days at the International Space Station. Meghalaya government mandates display of driver details in all commercial vehicles. Move aims to ensure safety of travellers. And Meghalaya government enforces plastic waste management rules, cracks down on illegal sale of plastic. And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. Do tune in again with us tomorrow. Until then, thanks for watching. Good night.